Flattery to James Island, Tennessee. National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Cape Flattery to James Island, 10 to 60 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Cape Flattery to James Island out 10 nautical miles until 12:15 Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 28 nautical miles west of James Island, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts, and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following marine locations: coastal waters from Cape Flattery to James Island out 10 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Cape Flattery to James Island 10 to 60 nautical miles. These are the 11 a.m.
Cool. Literally 2 seconds after I saw the marine warning pop up, it went off.
A tornado warning for central Puget County in northwestern Washington.
Oh boy, that didn't even show up on the bot.
At 11:40 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Seabeck, Oregon, 8 miles north of Delphine, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated location. Impact: flying debris would be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Seabeck around 11:50 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Bremerton around 11:55 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Traffic, Silverdale, and Irving Point, Kitsap Lakes. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following county: Kitsap, Washington.
That's wild. For once, the weather radio beat the IEM bot. See if I can get the image open. Yep, there's our tornado warning. There's our storm right there. Sweet. Another tornado warning.
Seattle has issued a tornado warning for east central Puget County in northwestern Washington until 12:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 11:59 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near possible near Bremerton, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated location. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of east central Kitsap County, including the following locations: Bainbridge Island, Indianola, Suquamish, Silverdale, and Kingston. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following county: Kitsap, Washington.
Okay, it only beat the bot by like 5 seconds this time. Yeah, special marine warnings on both stations.
The National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a special marine warning for Puget Sound and Hood Canal until 12:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Was located 10 nautical miles southwest of Quillayute, moving northeast at 25 knots. Water southbound wind gusts. Source, radar. Impact. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations and tactics include Whitley and Kingston. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water spouts. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following marine location, Puget Sound and Hood Canal.
Man, that was within like 2 minutes of being a doubleheader. Okay, 3 minutes, but the IEM bot has been super slow, and the weather radio has been beating it by like 5 to 15 seconds, so can't let my guard down. That's the first time in a long time I've seen a marine warning for the Puget Sound. Severe thunderstorm warning.
Severe thunderstorm warning from Washington County, Mason, Washington. The National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Grays Harbor County in northwestern Washington, southwestern Mason County in northwestern Washington until 2:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 1:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles northeast of Aberdeen, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations and tactics include Aberdeen, Montesino, Matlock, and Saxon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following counties: Mason, Washington,
And Grays Harbor. Cool, just when I thought we were done for the day. SVR.
severe thunderstorm for the following counties: Mason, Washington. The National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Thurston County in west central Washington, southern Mason County in northwestern Washington until 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 2:26 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Matlock, or 9 miles west of Shelton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations and tactics include Shelton, Matlock, Skokomish, and Kenya. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near waters in the Hood Canal area near Shelton to Hoodsport, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following counties: Mason, Washington.
Cool. That's our 6th alert today. Not counting the alerts on multiple channels like the last marine warning and the 2 severe thunderstorm warnings. So I think that's technically 9 EAS alerts today so far, and it's not done yet. A marine warning.
For the following National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a special warning for Puget Sound and Hood Canal until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 2:40 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a cluster of strong thunderstorms were located near Woodway, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots for greater and small hail. Source, radar. Intact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Manchester, Woodway, Clinton, Foul Weather Bluff, Puget Sound, and Priest Point. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following marine locations: Puget Sound and Truth Canal. Severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Mason,